AI chatbots just flipped the script on European democracy, and nobody's talking about it yet. This is AIWireDaily. Hungary's voting Sunday in what might be the most consequential election for NATO since 2016. And here's the thing. Challenger Peter Magyar is using ChatGPT, Claude, and Character AI to micro-target voters in real time. He's feeding chatbots voter frustration data, getting them to generate hyper-personalized campaign messaging and distributing it through closed channels before Viktor Orban's team even knows the attack is coming. This matters to you because it's the first time we're seeing large language models weaponized at scale in a competitive democracy. The election outcome could reshape Europe's NATO alignment. My take? We're past the point of regulating AI in politics. We're living in it. The chatbot arms race just went nuclear. Coachella 2026 lineup dropped with Karol G, Sabrina Carpenter, and Justin Bieber as headliners, which honestly feels quaint to mention in the same breath as electoral interference. But it's worth noting because music festivals are becoming data collection zones for AI companies. Every attendee gets tracked, their behavior gets logged, and that's feeding recommendation algorithms that'll shape what you hear for the next 5 years. The festival is basically a petri dish for AI personalization in entertainment. The real story isn't the artists, it's that live culture is now a training ground for predictive AI systems. The pre-sale crypto market is sorting itself hard right now between projects that promise something and projects that actually shipped. Alpha Pepe has real cross-chain swaps with whale tracking and contract screening already live. Pepeto's still in PowerPoint mode. This matters because it's the same pattern we're seeing across AI. Companies with actual products are pulling capital away from vaporware. The gap between builders and talkers is collapsing into zero. Expect more of this bifurcation. The chaff gets shaken out fast when you can measure results in code. IT Hyderabad just hosted a symposium bringing neuroscience, AI, medicine, and design experts together around a single question. Can we use machine learning to extend healthy aging? They're treating longevity as an intervention problem, not just a biological one. This is significant because AI in healthcare is finally moving past diagnosis into prevention and quality of life. The interdisciplinary angle matters. AI alone can't solve aging. You need neuroscientists and designers in the room, not just engineers. This is where the real impact lives. India's Reserve Bank Deputy Governor just outlined 5 guidelines for AI adoption in finance, emphasizing trust, efficiency, and inclusivity. Banks are moving from experimentation into governance mode. This signals that financial institutions globally are hitting an inflection point where they need frameworks, not just freedom to experiment. The RBI guideline approach is the template emerging markets will copy. Expect regulatory clarity on AI in finance to cascade through Asia within 18 months. That's the AI News. Subscribe. This stuff moves fast.